Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel BK Vocal. Every leader has some qualities. So, what are those qualities? What separates you from a normal person to become a leader? So, let's start and understand today what are those typical points or what are those crucial points or the qualities every human being should possess if you have to have or if you have to become a leader. So, leader is not just a title, it's the qualities that you have that makes you a leader. So, let's start today's session. The first and foremost point that we need to keep in mind always is the winning attitude. You need to possess winning attitude. See, when anything comes into your stance, what you need to do is you need to pick that and you should have that energy in you so that you are able to clear that or solve the things and then get the things done. That enthusiasm in you makes you a leader. So the second point what we need to keep in mind is appreciating what others have done. See, leaders are separated. Why? Because they appreciate the work done by others. That is when from a team member you become a team leader or team manager or a general manager or whatever is the position that you get. See, it's all about appreciating and make the work done from different people. The third point what we need to keep in mind is leadership is nothing but moving out of your comfort zone, delivering the things from yourself and then showing others that you are the right person to solve the issues. So start following this method in order to be successful. So that is when it differentiates a normal person to a leader. The fourth point what we need to keep in mind is learning from failures. See, everyone goes through something or the other in their lifetime. They fail. But if you are not moving out of your comfort zone and then if you're not coming out of it, then you will be a failure. So coming out from failure is very, very important, and that is what differentiates a person, a normal individual, to a leader. So the fourth quality what we need to have or possess is learning from failures. The last point what we need to keep in mind is building character. It is about building your character and building and helping others to build their character. That is when you become a leader from a normal follower, right? So these are few points which you need to possess. See, leadership is all about helping others and growing. When will you grow? You grow when you develop good qualities in you. So hope all these 5 points gives you a very good idea where you need to keep in mind and what are the points that you need to keep in mind in order to become a good leader. All the best, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like my channel, subscribe my videos or subscribe my channel, like the videos and share it in your network. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye bye.
Like, subscribe, and share.